In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a payment link in less than 2 minutes and start selling right away. Payment links are extremely flexible. You can use them to sell digital products, one-on-one coaching sessions, paid Zoom webinars, files, access, or really anything you want to charge for. Let's walk through it together. From the dashboard, you click on Create Payment Link and start by giving it a name. For example, one-on-one coaching session. If you want, you can also add a short description below, but this part is optional. Next, you set the price. You can choose whether this is a one-time payment, a monthly recurring payment, or a yearly recurring payment, and you can also select the currency you want to charge in. For example, you might set this as a $200 one-time payment in US dollars. Below that, you'll see advanced options, including the ability to create coupon codes. Once you enable this, you can define the code itself, for example, something like secret, and then choose the discount type. This can be either a percentage discount, like 50% off, or a fixed amount, like $50 off. You can enable or disable the code at any time, and under the advanced settings, you can control things like how many times the code can be used, whether it's limited per customer, whether there's a minimum purchase amount, or whether the code is only valid for first-time customers. You can also set an expiration date, so the code automatically stops working after a specific time. Once that's set, you continue, and optionally, you can limit the total number of purchases. For example, if you're selling a digital product and want to cap it at 100 buyers, you can do that here. Next, you decide what happens after payment. You can redirect buyers to a URL, for example, a Google Drive folder, a Zoom webinar registration page, or any other link. Or you can upload a file directly. If you upload a file, it's hosted securely inside CommuniPass, and after payment, buyers are automatically redirected to a protected download or streaming link. This works for files like PDFs, videos, presentations, or any other digital asset you want to deliver. Once you click Continue, your payment link is created. From there, you can copy the link, share it with your audience, and start getting paid. Before we wrap up, it's important to know that payment links aren't just standalone links. You can also use them as upsells inside your challenges. For example, on the last day of a challenge, you might offer one-on-one coaching, additional support, or a next step, and simply share the payment link with participants. You can also connect payment links to AI agents, so the agent can suggest or sell products automatically based on the conversation. On top of that, you can use payment links in your bio, emails, newsletters, communities, or anywhere else you share links. There are a lot of ways to use payment links, but the core idea is simple. One link, one checkout. That's it. Once you have the link, you can start sharing it and getting paid right away.